Alrighty, what is up? I probably won't take a trade today. It is FOMC day, fund rates decisions from the Fed, so it's likely that AM session will chop. However, price does look quite good going into open. So on the bigger time frame, we have got an SMT at the highs. The London session on ES ran up and took out this high right here. As you can see, it's better on the 1 hour. Yeah, you can see right there, ES took that high. NQ didn't, so we put in a high time frame SMT. NQ did take buy side as well at 7 a.m. New York time, so which is that high. But some form of buy side has been taken on both SMT at the high, and we've had displacement on the bigger time frame on the 1 hour, the 8 a.m. candle. There was a little bit of news, but we have displaced on the 1 hour. So we've got this 1 hour change in the state, and this 1 hour break because we've got a high, a low, a higher high, a lower low. So this is our 1 hour breaker block, and this change in the state. Same on ES, change in the state on the 1 hour and the breaker block. Right there, we've got the high, the low, higher high, the lower low. I believe it's more clear on NQ. This 1 hour imbalance got ran. So I am bearish because the hourly is telling me to be. This is the curve that I'm looking at. We've come up, then we've flushed. So I'd look to see on NQ, there's this 15-minute imbalance and this 5-minute high that's in line with the 1 hour breaker. I'd like to see manipulation higher at open to take that out, and then see shorts continuing down to sell side. ES has got lots of relative equal lows. This sell side has not been taken yet. And NQ has got this sell side down here, as that is the model I am looking at. So that is what I'm looking at going to open. I'm pretty bearish. This 4 hour imbalance is still holding, but based on the 1 hour, I'd like to see this sell side get taken, which is within this higher time frame imbalance. So that is what I'm looking at going into open. It's likely that no trade will be taken. Maybe on the combine, just a little bit light risk, but there's no reason to trade the XFA. I'm thinking of leaving the XFA till about February anyway, just to risk off, especially with how I'm feeling. I kind of want it gone, and if I kind of want it gone, I don't want to trade it because I'll probably just over risk it. So I'm just going to leave it until about February when price picks up again. Like the first 2 weeks of December were great. But yesterday we had a perfect setup and it didn't work out. Classic December things. So that is how I'm seeing the market going into open. Peace. Alrighty, so I did take a trade on the combine. Super light risk. Didn't trade the XFA, obviously. But what I wanted to see happened. But realistically, in hindsight, the morning session is going to just chop until the Fed rate decision. So was this the best decision to make? Not really. Am I glad I tried it? Yes. Am I glad I took it? Yes. So what happened? Market opened, sold off, did not take out this sell side level, which was the main reason why I took it. So did not take out this sell side level. I guess it did hold consequent encroachment of this wick. I don't really know what it means. I haven't really learned about it. But the liquidity wasn't taken, but consequent encroachment of this was held. And on the daily that I didn't spot because I forgot to check the daily, which is something I need to do better on. This daily imbalance was held all the way. So at open, we came into it, filled it completely, held the consequent encroachment of this wick, and then we saw buying pressure out of that. But what I was looking at, I was like, this sell side level didn't get taken. Price was then choppy for ages, and then ES had a leg up, taking out that 5-minute high, which was in the 15-minute imbalance, which was in a 1 hour imbalance, which opened up at 10 a.m. And I was like, right, okay, this is our internal model right here. You can see us generating all the sell side, and then the higher time frame model obviously is this, and I wanted to align those curves, which is what I was seeing, and I think it is a valid trade to take. But it was quite late into the session, and ES was just pumping. But ES took that buy side level, NQ didn't, so we put in that SMT, and then we had a 1 minute change in the state of delivery right here. Nice momentum through this as well, and we did run this 1 minute imbalance here. Nice momentum through it. This candle pulled back to the change in the state. That's why I entered on the combine. You can see right here, just two contracts stop at the SMT high, and then price came back up. We did put in an internal SMT. You know, ES was up here. NQ held it for so long, and then we just ran up higher. Now NQ is in that 1 hour breaker and that 1 hour change in the state. So we'll see how price reacts to that. But reality is, I'm glad I tried it. Glad I took the trade, but it shouldn't really have happened. That's why I went really light, like 60 bucks. It doesn't really matter. So it is what it is. It's not been a good week really for me at the minute, but it doesn't matter. All part of learning. The first 2 weeks of December were really nice, but now we are getting into the back end of the year, of the month, of the quarter. So we can expect price start to slow down now going into the new year, which is fine. Which is why I'm not trading the XFA anymore, or I won't trade that till February or mid-January, to be honest. Just going to start focus on the combine from now on. From now onwards, just going to focus on the challenge account and then just see where that goes. But all in all, a good loss, I think, today. This can go down as a good loss because, yeah, but I think if I had noticed earlier about the daily imbalance, then I probably wouldn't have taken it. So, you know, it is what it is. I can't. This is what I wanted to see happen going into the Open. Just ideally, it would have happened at the Open, you know, but it didn't. But what I wanted to see happen had happened, and we took the trade, so that's the best we can do. You know, I'm not going to let it get to me because there's no reason to. It's a good loss. That's how it goes sometimes. So, yeah, locked out now on the combine. It is currently just over 1% in profit, 1.25% in profit, which is fine. And yeah, 0.12%. Not that deep. Not that deep. This has not been a good week. Yesterday was fine. Monday was stupid. But so that is my trade, and I will catch you all tomorrow. Peace.